Hey guys, this video is over the Unit 4 review. So I'm sorry I couldn't be there with you guys today to play Trashkyball, but we will make it up. We'll play some games later. So I'm just going to go over like how to set these up, how to solve them, so you can skip through this video to the different questions if you need help on certain ones, okay? So this one says, Hisako sells dolls at her doll store. If she sells a doll for $35 and there's a 6% sales tax, how much will the customer pay in sales tax? So we're just looking for just the sales tax, okay? So it'll be 35. I'm sorry, I should set this up as a proportion. So it'll be x over 35 equals 6 over 100. You'll cross multiply and divide. So 35 times 6. Okay, so it should be 300 or 210, and then we're going to divide that by 100. And remember, when we divide by 100, we can move the decimal over 2 times. So it should be $2.10 for your answer. Number 2, the number of people who attended basketball, I should say the basketball game, increased from 50 to 70. By what percent did the number of people change? So this should be difference over original equals percent over 100. And so you'd have to set that up. Give me 1 second, gotta give you a pen. Okay, sorry. So after you set this one up, it should be difference over original equals percent over 100. So the difference between the two is 20. The original was 50, and that's going to equal x over 100. So you cross multiply and divide, and 20 times 100 would be 2,000. And then I'm going to divide that by 50, okay? So once I divide that by 50, 50 goes into 200 right here. We're going to line it up right here, okay? 50 goes into 200 4 times, and that would be 200. And then we still got to add the 0 here, so that would be 40%, okay? So number 3, Jesse wants to buy a skateboard that costs $56. It is on sale for 25% off. How much will he pay for the skateboard? So if it's on sale for 25%, you could do it like this. So we know for 25% off, so we're going to have to subtract at the end, okay? So part over whole equals percent over 100. So cross multiply that. So 56 times 25. Okay, so we should get 0, 0, 4. So we should get 1400, and then we're going to divide that by 100. So it should be $14 off. So again, original price is $56 minus the $14 off should bring us to 42 as your answer, okay? Sorry for the long pause there. Okay, number 4. Christian makes $24,500 a year. If his income tax rate is 15%, how much will he pay in income tax? So you're just looking for the tax, okay? So if you got $24,500, you do part over whole equals percent over 100. And so you can cross multiply and divide by 100. Okay, so we should get 3675. Okay, now we're going to divide that by 100. 367500. Okay, so once you divide that by 100, it's essentially the same as just taking 2 zeros off or moving the decimal 2 times to the left. So you should get $3,675. I'm sorry if I'm going fast on these, but you just go to whichever question you need help on, okay? This is going to be a long video, so. All right, Iris wants to buy 2 necklaces, one for her sister and one for herself. The necklace for her sister costs $42 and the necklace for herself costs $28. The sales tax on the purchase is 8%. Find the total cost of Iris's purchase. So we know that she wants to buy one for herself and one for her sister, and so these are the prices for both of them. So that's going to equal $70, right? So now we need to find the tax on $70. So part over whole equals percent over 100. We know the percent's 8. So that should be 560 divided by 100. And so that should give us 5.60, right? So that's the amount of sales tax. That's not the new price. It's absurd to think that $5.60 is her new price. We have to add that on to the $70. So once you add that on, you should get $75.60. That's her new price. Okay, Albert's annual income is $360,000. His tax rate is 33%. How much will he pay in income tax? So this is just like that other question, number 4. So you set it up the exact same way and solve, and you should get, I want you to solve it first and then look to see if your answer is correct. $118,800, okay? All right, now we go on to simple interest. James gets a loan for $3,000 with an interest rate of 7%. If he pays off the loan in 6 years, how much interest will he have to pay? So this is I equals PRT, and so we'll fill in the numbers. Remember, principal is a dollar amount. The initial amount invested. The rate has to go as a decimal. So convert 7% to a decimal, you should get 0.07. In years, or the time should be in years, so you'd multiply these together. So 3,000 times 0.07. Okay, so it should be 21,000. We'll move it over twice, so it should be 210. Now we have 210. We have to multiply it by 6. And so you should get 1,260. So that's your answer, 1,260, okay? All right, Adam made 21 of 30 shots in his last basketball game. What is his percentage? That's part over whole equals percent over 100, okay? So solve that. I'm not going to tell you the answer for that one. Part over whole equals percent over 100. All right, number 9. What is the percent discounts of a watch that was 40 or 50 and is now 40? So that's $10 off, right? That's a difference of $10 over the original, which is 50, equals X over 100. So you're going to cross multiply and divide. Okay, again, not telling you the answer for that one. You guys can do this one. Let's go to 10, sorry. Caleb and his family ate at a pizza restaurant. Their bill was $42.50. If they left a 15% tip, how much did they pay for lunch? So if their total bill was $42.50, we're trying to figure out the part. We're trying to figure out that 15%. Okay, so you cross multiply and divide. So basically this entire test will be cross multiply and divide, okay, unless you're on simple interest question. So just remember, when in doubt, you set up a proportion, cross multiply and divide, okay? Anything that has percents in it will be a percent proportion problem, okay? So cross multiply and divide that, and your answer should come out to $48.88. Again, guys, you're not just watching this and working it out as I do. You're watching